like to demonstrate how this shell ejecting toy gun works. So as you can see, I'll wrap it. So pretty cool, right? So okay. So how do the shells eject from the gun? Well, it's actually pretty simple. It works just like a real gun. It has an extractor and an ejector. So I will take this gun apart and I will show you the bits and pieces of the parts of the toy gun. So I will just take the gun apart. I will not show it on video because it's just boring. So I just got this. So as you can see, I already take the gun apart, and here is all the parts. So I'm just going to remove this and the trigger and the latch. Remove that. Remove this. And we're going to remove the bolt. This is the most important part, how this gun works. So let's take it apart. So, okay, here's the bolt. So okay, so this is the bolt itself, the part of the gun. So
you didn't have to cut me off like I never know we were nothing.
this little thing that's moving, that is called the extractor. And so basically how it works, so for example, I put a shell in the mag. When you pull the bolt, this will glide like that. And then if you send the bolt forward, it will do like that. Hold on. When you close the bolt, it will glide the shell forward into the chamber, and the shell will lock in there, just
You didn't have to cut me off like that.
as you can see. It will lock in there because the shell has like a rim, and the extractor is just like a hook. So the extractor is hooking this part just like that. And how the shell will eject is this part right here will have contact on this part like a ramp. There's like a ramp in there. When the ejector have contact in that ramp, it will do like that, and it will eject the shell. As you can see, I'll put it back again. So for example, this is the part of the gun, and I will just poke it. So as you can see, works just like a real gun, but kind of different because this has no firing pin on it. It has like it's got a air pump like this part with the spring inside. And yeah, and I will just put the gun together again and show you how it works. So I've just finished putting the gun back together, and I will put some shells again. So putting the shells on the magazine is very easy. Just put the shell at the top and just push down. This is the shell, what it looks like. So I'm not going to put any BBs on it for safety reasons, because I'm just demonstrating. Yeah, as you can see. It will feed in, eject, feed in the shells, eject, and yeah, just feed. Yeah, already empty. So yeah, that's it for the video. For my demonstrating how shell ejecting rifle works. It's not a real gun, it's just a toy.